a bustling city with towering skyscrapers. Samuel, the wise old man, sitting under a tranquil oak tree, a group of noisy youngsters surrounding Samuel. Samuel leading the youngsters to a serene lakeside. Small, empty boats neatly lined up along the water's edge. The youngsters each holding a boat, eager expressions on their faces, the boats setting sail, rowed by the enthusiastic youngsters, the boats making splashes as they move away from the shore, the boats floating towards the calm center of the lake. The youngsters returning, boats now in perfect silence. Samuel's peaceful smile as he imparts his wisdom. The youngsters leaving with a newfound sense of serenity.